Morning, all of you students. In the previous lecture, we have discussed how to find the points at which f of x is not differentiable in an interval, right? So, by checking the differentiability at the points where f of x changes its rule, look at some other models on that. Find intervals in which f of x is differentiable. Okay, suppose take one function x square modulus x. He will not give separate rules. Only one rule given. Only one rule given like this. But you know that this will have two rules, plus x and minus x. Rules you have to write. Look at. When x less than or equal to 0, one rule will be there. So what is that? This will become minus x. That means minus x cube. And then when x greater than 0, this will become x cube. That means there will be two rules. So rule changes at x equal to 0. That means at x equal to 0, you need to check. At x equal to 0, you have to check the differentiability. If you observe continuity, it is obvious. 0 plus means what? Right limit, this means 0. 0 minus left limit. Limits these are 0. F of 0 is what? 0. That means it is continuous. It is continuous. Now if you look at f dash 0 plus. 0 plus means derivative of this. 3x square. That means this is nothing but if you substitute 0, you will get 0. F dash 0 minus. So derivative of this is what? Minus 3x square. So that means 0. So both are equal. That means differentiable at x equal to 0. That means at the rule changing point also it is differentiable. Therefore we can say that f of x is differentiable for all real values of x. At any point it will be differentiable. Derivative exists at each and every point. At the rule changing point, if it is differentiable, means it will be differentiable at the remaining points, obviously. Like that, when the rules are separately not given, modulus x or step x like that will be there. You have to write what are those rules depending on the modulus x definition. So in the problems now I am telling, always you will get modulus of f of x. Modulus of f of x, you have to redefine like this. So if f of x is negative, this is minus f of x. If f of x is positive, this is f of x. Look at next. Suppose there is one function like this. Modulus of x minus a. Modulus of x minus a. I am redefining this. Look at. So this is f of x. That means minus of x minus a. When x, this is minus f of x when f of x less than or equal to 0. means its definition will contain two parts. Minus x plus a when x less than or equal to a. X minus a when x greater than a. Right? Rule is changing at a. Rule is changing at a. So at x equal to a, continuous or not? Look at left limit, right limit. Directly you can check here. A minus means what? Minus a plus a 0. A plus means what? A plus a minus a 0. F of a 0. That means continuous. Directly you check out there. So f dash a plus. That means greater than a. Derivative of this is what? 1 minus 0 1. F dash a minus less than a derivative is what? Minus 1. That means not differentiable. Not differentiable at x equal to a. Not differentiable at x equal to a. That means f of x is differentiable for all x belongs to R minus a. Domain is R. R minus a. Now look at whenever modulus function will come, this will be not differentiable. Inside one you equate it to 0. It will not be differentiable at x equal to a. Modulus x, let us say, look at. Suppose example. Modulus x will not be differentiable at x equal to 0. Suppose modulus of x plus 2 is there. It will not be differentiable at x equal to minus 2. This inside one is there, you equate it to 0. At that point, it will not be differentiable. So equate this to 0. At that point, it will not be differentiable. Shortcut. Look at suppose. Suppose you got the function like this. F of x equals to modulus of x square minus 4. Suppose the function is like this. Right? So whenever it is there like this, redefine. First we will do a normal method and we will use the shortcut. Okay. Redefine. This is f of x. Modulus f of x is there. Its definition is minus x minus f of x when f of x less than or equal to 0. F of x when x square minus 4 greater than 0. This means what? X plus 2 into this means x. We have to write the x interval. This means this x plus 2 into this means x minus 2 greater than 0. That means its definition will be f of x is nothing but 4 minus x square. 4 minus x square. This x minus alpha into x minus beta less than or equal to 0 means x lies in the interval minus 2 to 2. X square minus 4 union 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity. That means this has two parts. One rule is this in this interval. Another rule is this in this interval. So like that, first write into rules. Then what are the points at which rule is changing? Here numbers are there. X equal to minus 2. First take x equal to minus 2. Continuous or not, you check. Right limit is what? Minus 2 plus this is 4 minus 4 0. Left limit is what? Less than minus 2, 4 minus 4, 0, f of minus 2, 0. For continuity, no problem will be there. Continuous. So f dash minus 2 plus greater than minus 2. Where it is this derivative? This is 0, this is minus 2x. That means this is 4. F dash minus 2 minus less than minus 2. Derivative is what? 2x minus 0. So this is minus 4 only. This is minus 4. That means it is not differentiable at x equal to minus 2. Right? So next at x equal to 2. Let us check at x equal to 2. Left limit is what? 4 minus 4, 0. Right limit is what? 4 minus 4, 0. F of 2 is 0. Therefore, continuous. F dash 2 plus greater than 2. Greater than 2 means this is the derivative 2x. That means 4. F dash 2 minus less than 2. This is the one minus 2x. That is minus 4. Therefore, not differentiable. Therefore, not differentiable. That means what can you say? Function is not differentiable at x equal to plus or minus 2. At x equal to plus or minus 2. That means at those only 2 points, function will not be differentiable. Shortcut is, look at x square minus 4 is there. Inside the modulus, whatever the term is there, you equate it to 0. That means what is the answer? Plus or minus 2. These are the points at which not differentiable. Look at modulus f of x is there. So yet not differentiable. Right? That means at the values of x for which this is 0, it will not be differentiable. Just only modulus before no multiplication, no function multiplication will be there. Just modulus of something. Just modulus of something like this. Suppose take one example. Take one example. Suppose you have to find the points where this function is not differentiable. Look at this is the one. Right? You have to find the points at which this is not differentiable. That means first two modulus are there. Two moduli are there. That means first inside first modulus what is there? This is f of x. That equate to 0. That equate to 0. That means modulus x equal to 1. X equal to plus or minus 1. Next modulus is there. Next another modulus is there inside. That will not be differentiable when x equal to 0. When x equal to 0. First modulus inside equal to 0. Second modulus inside equal to 0. Therefore not differentiable. 0 comma plus or minus 1. 3 points. The number of points at which this is not differentiable, if he asks, answer is 3. 0 plus or minus 1. Let us learn the method of how to actually do the things. It will be important for the next problems. Look at how to deal with this. This modulus, this is f of x. Right? Write the definition. Plus or minus like that will be there. Minus f of x. You write like this. When f of x less than or equal to 0. So this is f of x plus when f of x greater than 0. This means what? Modulus x less than or equal to 1. Modulus x greater than 1. Now rewrite the definition. This is nothing but So I have told modulus x less than or equal to a means x lies between minus 1 and 1. Modulus x less than or equal to a minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. That means this is 1 minus modulus x. So modulus x greater than a. What I told, x less than minus a or x greater than a. X less than minus a or x greater than a, definition is modulus x minus 1. Now again for this plus or minus will be there, for this plus or minus will be there. Now look at, if x is negative, modulus x is minus x. If x is positive, modulus x is x. Here negative positive both are there. Now I am redefining like this. This interval I am dividing into two parts. Negative interval I am dividing. So in minus 1 to 0, modulus x is what? Minus x. That means minus of minus x plus x. So then from 0 to 1, 0 to 1 means positive. That means 1 minus plus x. That means this definition will be 1 plus x here and 1 minus x here. Next, x less than minus 1. X less than minus 1 means negative. This will become minus x minus 1. And x greater than 1 means positive. That means x minus 1. So these are the four rules it has. So rule changes at which points? 0, 1 and minus 1. That means you have to check its differentiability. Let us take x equal to 0. Let us take x equal to 0. So at 0, left limit is what? 1, right limit is 1, and f of 0 is 1, continuous. For continuity there will be no problem. Right, differentiability, f dash 0 plus is what? 0 plus means this minus 1. 0 minus means what? This is what? 1, 1. So therefore not differentiable. Next, minus 1, let us say. At minus 1 you can check it will be continuous. F dash minus 1 plus. Greater than minus 1, where it is? So this is 1. Minus 1 minus less than minus 1. This is minus 1, therefore not differentiable. So then at x equal to 1, so it will be continuous. You check f dash 1 plus. 1 plus means greater than 1. This is 1. 1 minus is minus 1, not differentiable. That only we got by using shortcut. By using shortcut, that only we got. Whenever you want to split into, you do like this. Using modulus f of x definition, you have to proceed. Okay, suppose one more problem. Very important model for exam point of view. Very important model. Modulus of x plus 2 minus 3. Suppose, okay, modulus of x plus 2 minus 3. You have to find the points where it is not differentiable. First modulus inside, you equate it to 0. This will become 3. If you take plus 1 minus, if you take minus 5, 2 points, then inside one more modulus is there. So these are the 3 points at which it is not differentiable. You can proceed in this manner. General method is directly you can write like this, not differentiable. Suppose look at here. Suppose if it is like this, see one model. Suppose modulus x term is involved and x into modulus x is there. Modulus x is not differentiable at x equal 0 actually. But here only modulus x is not there. X into modulus x is there. That means this factor x, whatever it is there, that is there here. In that case, if you check, in that case, you cannot say this. If only modulus x is there, you can say this. But x into modulus x is there. Let us check. Let us check whether it is not this is not differentiable or not. So if you check f dash 0 minus is what? Minus 2x. Minus 2x, this is 0. F dash 0 plus is what? 2x. This is what? 0. Actually, it is differentiable at x equal to 0. But if you write like this, it will be wrong. Modulus x is there, but only modulus x is not there. X into modulus x is there. That means here root you got x equals to the same factor. Here x is there, here x is there. Like that it is there means at x equals 0 it will be differentiable. Similarly, look at x minus 1 whole square into modulus x minus 1. Actually, this modulus x minus 1 will not be differentiable at x equal to 1. If you equate this to 0, what you will get? X equal to 1. Actually, this is not differentiable. But if you multiply with this, what happens? If you are getting the same factor x minus 1 here, this x minus 1 is there, this is also x minus 1, same factor is there, at least to the power 1, it will be differentiable, you have to write. Differentiable you have to write like this. Suppose look at, because same manner, minus of x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square you will get. That means at this point, if you multiply this with this, it will be differentiable. Suppose if you take x minus 1 into modulus x. Suppose look at, this is the one. This is modulus x is there multiplied by x minus 1. Now modulus x, if you see, not differentiable at x equal to 0. This is this one. So this product will also be not differentiable. Now this is correct. Because x is there, x minus 1 is there, not same factor is there. Right? If same factor is there, it will be differentiable. Because if you write the definition, suppose if we write the definition like this, so now I am calculating f dash 0 minus, what is this? 0 if you substitute 1, right? F dash 0 plus 0 plus this is what? 2x. So therefore not differential. Not differential. Whenever modulus is there, simple. You write the point, right? If the same factor is there, you write the differentiable at x equals 0. That means this function is there, differentiable everywhere. Actually, if there is possibility, only not differentiable at x equal to 1. But if we multiply with that factor, it will be differentiable at that point also. That means it will be differentiable everywhere. Suppose look at this one. This is not differentiable at x equal to 0. You have multiplied with some other factor. Then in that case, it will be not non-differentiable at x equal to 0. You can identify the difference. If same factor is there, means that at that point also it will be differentiable. If some other factor multiplied, then it will be not differentiable. Look at suppose next. Suppose cos modulus x. Where it is not differentiable, you have to find the points. Now x square minus 4. These are factors what? X minus 2 into x minus 3. You write this plus or minus x. If plus x also, x only, minus x means cos of minus x. This, so only modulus is there where here. If you look at this modulus will not be differentiable. Where this is 0, you find out. You got 2, 3. You got 2, 3. But x equal to factor here is there. Look at this is nothing but x plus 2 into x minus 2. Look at, you got x equal to 2. Here factor is there x minus 2. That will become x minus 2 whole square. That means in the points you got, if the common factor is there before multiplication, differentiable at x equal to 2. Not differentiable at x equal to 3. That at that common factor, it will be differentiable. We have seen in the previous example. Look at x minus 2, x minus 2. This will become x minus 2 whole square. Na? That means at that point it will be differentiable x equal to 2. X equal to 3, it will be not differentiable. Not differentiable. Suppose instead of this is not there, then no problem. Suppose this is there, no problem. This is 0 means what? Both 2, 3. Both 2, 3 will be the answer. Like that you can make use of this rule. Suppose another example. Modulus ln modulus x. At which points this is not differentiable, you have to write. So that means this equal to 0. This is to the base e. So e power 0, that is 1. That means what? Plus or minus 1. Inside modulus x is also there. Okay. Inside one more modulus is there. X equal to 0. But x equal to 0 you cannot write because it is not in the domain. You have to write the points which are in the domain. X equal to 0 means logarithm will not be defined. Na? That's why you don't include this point because it is not in the domain. Only 2 points. Plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1. Next look at. Look at. So there will be some problems which are related to graphs. Look at some graphs, basic graphs. A few I will tell. So such will parabolic graphs. Y equal to x square whenever is there, it will be like this parabola. Now you are going to get graphs. A few graphs. Y equal to x square, right? Y equal to x square graph will be like this. Just a few I will discuss. Suppose y equal to x square plus some constant, positive constant or negative constant, whatever it may be. Look at. So x square plus k means you mark k on y-axis and then you draw the same shape like this. Suppose let us say example y equal to x square plus 1. So this constant 1 you mark on y-axis and the graph will be like this. x square minus 2 is there. Mark that constant on y-axis minus 2. This graph will be like this. This graph you will get in the problems. X square plus k. Suppose y equal to minus x square is there. Minus x square. Look at minus x square. So minus x square will be down like this. Like this. Right? So y equal to minus x square plus a constant. Suppose let us say y equal to minus x square plus 1 plus 1. Mark that constant. Mark that constant plus 1 and then down like this. So that is how to draw the graphs of parabolas, basic parabolas. These are. These few you remember while solving the problems. Suppose another graph is there, you will get regularly. Y equal to x cube. Y equal to x cube will be like this S shape. Okay. Y equal to x cube will be like this. Whenever you got y equal to x cube, you draw like this S shape. This is the one, right? So minus x cube will be like this. Minus x cube will be like that. These both, and then this graph also you will get regularly. Modulus of x minus a, right? Modulus of x minus a means first we will find the point. We will find the point where this is 0. What is that point A? Then we will mark A on whatever you will get, positive or negative. We will mark A wherever you will get, and then V shape, This is the graph. If suppose 1 you got, 1 you mark and then draw V shape. Suppose minus 1 you got, minus 1 you mark and then V shape, like this. So this right hand side to A, this will be plus x minus A. In modulus, if you write plus, right hand side line. In modulus, if you write minus, left hand side. Right hand side plus 1, left hand side minus 1. So this is the one. Next one is, suppose you take an example. Modulus of x plus 2 is there. So this is 0 means where minus 2. You draw V, victory, this. So this is the one, right? So this is plus x plus 2. So this line is minus x plus 2. This is the graph of modulus of x minus a. Suppose another one will be there. Look at y equal to modulus x plus k. K can be positive. Modulus x plus a. A can be positive or negative. In this case, this is different. This is different. Modulus x plus constant. That means mark that constant A, whatever may be, positive or negative, on y-axis and draw like this. This is on x-axis and draw victory. So this is on y-axis and then draw V symbol, right? So in this case, right hand side here plus modulus plus x plus A. Left hand side minus x plus A. So this is the one. Suppose if you take an example, modulus x plus 1, let us say. Modulus x plus 1 on y-axis constant. On y-axis constant, then V shape. So this is x plus 1, this is minus x plus 1, like that graph. So these are few graphs you can remember. Look at the problems. Look at one problem. given f of x equal to minimum of 1 comma x square. Function is given like this, where x belongs to R, then options. F of x is continuous. C means continuous for all x belongs to R. B, discontinuous at one point is not differentiable at 2 points equal to 2. Look at more than one correct answer. So he is telling that f of x is nothing but minimum of these three. Minimum of these three. Out of this is 1x square. Suppose 1 is minimum. F of x is 1. X is minimum. F of x is x. X square is minimum. F of x is x square. Look at. So that f of x you can write by using the graph. Look at. So 1x square is there. You draw first what are those? First one y equal to 1, second one y equal to x, third one y equal to x square. These three graphs you draw. Look at y equal to 1 means what? Parallel to x-axis line this is. Y equal to x is passing through origin straight line. Y equal to x square is parabola. Now I am drawing these three graphs. Y equal to x square. First parabola I am drawing. Parabola like this. This is parabola. Y equal to x square. Then y equal to x line means line passing through origin, it will be like this. Now while drawing, these two graphs will intersect. Look at. Intersecting points means what? Solve this and this. Where they will intersect, let us calculate. The graphs will intersect at 0 and 1. Look at. I am drawing the line. While drawing the line, it will intersect. It will intersect. At which point? This one is one point of intersection. This one is one point of intersection. This is 1. The graphs will intersect at 1. That means this point will be x equal to 1. Y equal to what? Y equal to, this is y equal to x. So y equal to, if x equal to 1, y is what? 1. That means this point is 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. This graph I have drawn, this graph I have drawn. Now y equal to 1. Y equal to 1 means what? X-axis parallel to x-axis. That means this will pass through this intersection point. Y equal to 1. Right? So that means common intersection point of all the three curves is what? This point. X equal to 1, y equal to 1. Like that, three graphs I have drawn. Now look at. Minimum of these three means the graph that is below. The graph that is below, that is called minimum graph. That is called minimum graph. Now if you look at which graph is below than other two, that depends on the interval. Suppose this is when x lies between minus infinity to 0. When x lies between minus infinity to 0. Which one is below? Look at this. This is x. When x lies between minus infinity to 0, this is x here graph. And then this is x square here. And then 1 here. Which is below? This is the one. That means that will be minimum. That means f of x is nothing but x when x less than or equal to 0. Look at. Suppose x negative, a value you take. Suppose x equal to -2. This is 1, this is -2, this is 4. Which is minimum? X only. If you take any x value less than or equal to 0, this will be minimum. That means when x lies between -infinity to 0, below. This graph is lying below the other two. That means this is x. Next look at when x lies between 0 and 1. When x lies between 0 and 1, this is x square, this is x square. Only from here to here, this is x and this is 1. Which one is below graph? X square. That means this is x square. When 0 to 1, look at, take value between 0 to 1. 1 by 2 you take. This is 1, this is 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4. Which is minimum? 1 by 4 is minimum. That's why when x lies between 0 and 1, minimum below graph is what? X square. Suppose next greater than 1. X greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1 means from here to here. Look at, this is y equal to 1 and this is y equal to x, this is y equal to x square. Which one is minimum? 1. That means 1. So that means f of x is nothing but when x less than or equal to 0, out of these minimum is x. When x lies between 0 and 1, out of these minimum is what? Out of these minimum is x square. When x greater than or equal to 1, out of these three minimum is this. So now you got f of x. Now you got f of x. You can easily check what is continuity and what is differentiability. Now look at where rule is changing. At x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, you can check left limit is what? 0. Right limit is 0. And f of 0 is 0. Continuous. Continuous. Now f dash 0 minus. F dash 0 minus is what? 1. 0 plus is what? 2x. 0. So therefore not differentiable. At x equal to 0, not differentiable. Next, at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, left limit is what? 1 minus means 1. Right limit is what? 1. F of 1 is 1. Continuous. F dash 1 plus. 1 plus means greater than 1. Derivative of 1 is what? 0. F dash 1 minus. 1 minus less than 1, derivative is 2x. And that is if you substitute 1, 2. Both are not equal, that means not differentiable. Not differentiable. So look at, this is continuous everywhere, true. There is no discontinuity. At the rule changing points it is continuous. This is correct. F of x is discontinuous at one point, it is wrong. F of x is not differentiable at 2 points, this is correct. So now f dash 1 by 2, let us calculate. 1 by 2 is where here, that is x square, that means 1. 2 into 1 by 2 is what? 1. Next, f dash minus 1 plus greater than minus 1. Greater than minus 1 is where here. So derivative is what? 1. Therefore, both are what? Answer is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So that means this is also correct, like that. Look at minimum whenever it is given, you draw 3 graphs. This. Right? While drawing intersection points also I have drawn. This is the graph. From the graph you write what is f of x. Minimum means the one that is below. That is minimum graph. That means from minus infinity to 0, this is minimum. I am dotting this, look at. When x less than 0, this is minimum. This dotted one is f of x. This is from here to here, f of x is this dotted one. Right? I am marking, that is 1. Next, from 0 to 1, which is below? This is below. So this is 1. Shaded one. So this is 1. 0 to 1, this is x square. And then x greater than or equal to 1, this is the 1. That means f of x is clearly here. This is x when x less than or equal to 0. So this is x square when x lying between 0 and 1, and this is 1 when x greater than 1. That only I have written. Right? This I have written, and then continuity, differentiability, everything is same. Now, if you want to write where function is not differentiable, look at f of x graph is this, whatever I have stated, that is f of x. Is there any break? No break. Therefore, it is continuous. Is there any break in the graph? No break. Na? That means it is continuous. No need to check. From the graph itself, you can write. So then, where this f of x is changing its rule, look at till here it is x, and then till 0 it is x, and after that it is becoming x square. That means this is the rule changing point. At that it will be not differentiable. At that it will be not differentiable. Then from here to here, same rule we have written. At this point afterwards, rule is changing. Generally, such type of functions where the rule changes, there they will be different, not differentiable. From the graph itself, you can say at this point, it will not be differentiable. Writing this is one way. If you want to write where it is not differentiable, 2 points. This is 1 point, this is 1 point. At those 2 points, it will be not differentiable. By writing this, you can calculate anything. Without writing from the graph, where the rule changes, this dotted graph, at those points, it will not be differentiable. Like that, minimum, maximum. Maximum means above graph. We will see some more example on that. So look at one more example next. Very important model summaries. Suppose look at one more example. Suppose function is given like this. F of x equal to minimum of 1 comma x square comma x cube. This is given. F of x is continuous everywhere. B. And differentiable everywhere. Not differentiable at 2 points. Not differentiable at 1 point. Not differentiable at 1 point. Look at. So now he is telling minimum of. Let us plot that. Y equal to 1. These all graphs you know. X cube. Right? So now y equal to x square is this. First parabola I am drawing. Anything you can draw. Y equal to x square is this. Now I am going to draw y equal to x cube. These two graphs where they will intersect. Take x square common. Zero comma 1. Right? So while drawing the graph, they will intersect at 0 and 1. Look at. So below I am drawing like this S shape. This. Right? So then here it will intersect, and then at x equal to 1, look at. Now here there will be a doubt regarding like this you have to draw or like below you have to draw. You can easily judge that. Look at. Between 0 to 1, next intersection point it is at 1. Between 0 to 1, this is below or this is below, you can check. This is minimum or this is minimum. Between 0 and 1, 1 by 2 you take. This is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 8. That means this one is lesser. That means graph will go like this. Okay. Graph will go like this. Look at this is one intersection point. What I am telling is this is 0, this is one intersection point, this is one intersection point. Right? This is 0. Between 0 to 1, you take any x value, x cube will be lesser. That means between 0 to 1, graph will go like this. If you take any x greater than 1, let us say 2. So this is 4, this is 8. That means what? Greater than 1, it will move. It will be more than that value. That means it will move above. So now this is the graph. Now look at. So what is telling? Minimum f of x equals to, look at, minimum. So if you look at here, from minus infinity till 1, look at, this is minimum. This is minimum. So this x cube is below x square. That means till 1. That means x cube, when x minimum, wait, 1, 1. 1 also you will draw. This is 1. Y equal to 1, this is. Right? Minus infinity to 1. This graph is below than two graphs. One is x square, one is y equal to 1. That means till 1, this is. After 1, that is greater than or equal to 1, what is the graph? Look at, y equal to 1 is this, y equal to x square is this, y minimum is what? 1. That means 1. So this is the one. That means f of x I am plotting here. Look at. So this is dotted one is f of x. Then greater than or equal to 1, this is the one. The dotted one is f of x. So dotted one graph, how it is? Smoothly. There is no break. There is no break means what? It is everywhere continuous. There is no break means everywhere continuous. So where the rule changes, from here only one rule, x cube. So from here only x cube. After that, after 1 it is changing, that is 1. Only rule changes at one point. So at this point it will not be differentiable. Or otherwise you have written this one. Check the continuity at x equal to 1. Look at 1 minus is what? 1. 1 plus is what? 1. F of 1 is 1. Therefore, at the rule changing point, continuous at x equal to 1. Now, f dash 1 plus. 1 plus is what? This is 0. 1 minus is what? This is 3x square. That is 3. Therefore, not differentiable. Here itself you can easily identify. This is the point where f of x changes its rule. That means this is non-differentiable point. Like that in the graph, if you identify how many points are there where it rule changes, graph changes, then that is not differentiable. Now look at f of x is continuous everywhere. Correct. F of x is continuous and differentiable everywhere. Wrong. F of x is not differentiable at 2 points. Wrong. F of x is non-differentiable at 1 point. That is correct. That is how to analyze by looking at the graph or by writing the function. Look at next. Problems will ask like this generally in integer format. The number of points at which f of x equals to maximum of sin x comma cos x is not differentiable in 0 to 2 pi. In 0 to 2 pi. Look at this. In integer format he will ask, or otherwise single correct. Look at. That means what? This graph we have to draw. You know sin x graph, cos x graph easily. That means first one is what? Y equal to sin x comma this is x-axis. Y equal 0 means what? X-axis. I am drawing, look at sin x, cos x, I am drawing. Right? Sin x 0 to 2 pi. Look at sin x 0 to 2 pi. It will be like this. So 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi 2 pi. Everybody knows this graph. Sin x. Now I am drawing y equal to cos x graph. Definitely they will intersect. Like this you will draw now. So I am finding intersection points of this and this first. Sin x equal to cos x. I am solving this and this curve's intersection point. Tan x, where they will intersect at the values of x for which tan x equal to 1. 1 means positive. In first quadrant, one angle will be there. Pi by 4 in third quadrant. That means intersection points are pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. Now while drawing, they will intersect at pi by 4. This is pi by 4, exactly middle point of this. Pi by 4. And then 5 pi by 4 means exactly middle point of this and this. Look at, while drawing the graph, actually cos x will be like this. Look at, cos x will be like this actually. Cos x will be like this. This at pi it will be minus 1. I am drawing cos x. Look at pi by 2 it will be 0. At pi it will become minus 1. Then it will intersect and then go like this and then go like this. So this is actually graph. That means this point where it intersect, I am telling this. So this is the intersection point. That is one intersection point of the graphs, and then this is one intersection point of the graph. So they will intersect twice at this point and at that point. So now over. So this is y equal to sin x cos x over 2 over. Then x-axis. So third graph is what he is telling, x-axis. This is the graph of that. Y equal to 0. Y equal to 0. Now minimum. Look at maximum. Now you can observe which graph is above, that is maximum. In different intervals, different it is. Now look at 0 to pi by 4. That means from here to here, this is maximum. Maximum I am plotting. I am drawing dotted lines, shaded lines. This is the one, right? So from 0 to pi by 4, maximum is what? Cos x. From then pi by 4 to, look at, from pi by 4 to pi, maximum is what? This is the one. Look at, this is sin x and then cos x and then y equal to 0. So from pi by 4 to pi, maximum is what? This is the one. From pi by 4 to pi, in that complete interval, Sin x. So next from pi by 4 to pi by 2. From here to here you look at. From here to here. From pi by 4 to pi by 2. From pi by 4 to pi by 2. Pi by 4 to pi by 2. This is more. That means sin x is more. Dotting, look at. I have dotted. So next is pi by 2 to pi. Cos x is below, this is the line, and sin x, which is more. So that means we can say this is 1. Pi by 2 to pi, this is the 1. That means we can easily say, pi by 2 to pi. This is from pi by 4 to pi, you can say easily, this is the maximum. From pi by 4 to pi, this is the maximum. This is the maximum. Next, look at next one is from this point pi to 3 pi by 2. This is y equal 0 is minimum, maximum. Look at this is sin x graph, this is cos x graph. Above is what? This one. So this is maximum. Then from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. From 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, which is maximum. This is the one. Now look at dotted one. Look at the dotted one. So look at the dotted graph. Look at this is the dotted graph. This, and then this, and then this. That means if you look at where the graph is changing its rule, till here what is the rule? Cos x. Where the rule changes, I am writing. Look at graph changes at x equal to pi by 4. This is cos x, now became sin x. Till here sin x, and then from here to here, that means rule is changing at pi. This is y equal to 0. Next, till here y equal to 0, and then rule is changing at 3 pi by 2. This is what? This is cos x. That means again rule is changing what? 3 pi by 2. Rule is changing it again 3 pi by 2. That means these are the points of non-differentiability. I am writing, look at f of x. F of x is nothing but 0 to pi by 4. What is this? Cos x. What is this? Cos x from pi by 4, look at from pi by 4 to pi, maximum is what? This is the one. So that is what? Sin x. Pi by 4 to pi, that is the maximum. So then pi to 3 pi by 2, pi to 3 pi by 2. Y equal to 0, that means 0. So then 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, if you see, this is the maximum. This 0 is here and this is here. That means this is what? Cos x. So this graph is what? That is cos x. 3 pi by 2 to, so 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. These are the rule changing points I am telling. Pi by 4, this is pi, and then 3 pi by 2. At these points, let us check. Look at pi by 4. At pi by 4, then pi, then 3 pi by 2. At these points, it will be not differentiable. That means answer is what? 3. Answer is 3. Just rule changing points, such type of functions. At the rule changing points, it will be not differentiable. 3. Like that from the graph. at which f of x is not differentiable is dash. Look at. So given f of x equal to minimum of x comma x square when x less than 1, minimum of 2x minus 1 comma x square when x greater than or equal to 1. The number of points at which f of x is not differentiable. So look at minimum of x comma x square. Minimum of x comma x square you take. This we will construct first when x less than 1. Right? I will draw this one and I will draw this one. X square. I am drawing it here. So this is y equal to x square. This and then y equal to x. Look. So you know that it is already drawn to the previous problem. This is 1. Only 2 are there. Now what is asking? Only when x less than 1. Less than 1 means till here only. Till here means what is minimum? When x less than 0, this is minimum. When x less than 0, this is this. So this is minimum. And then between 0 to 1 x square will be minimum. So that means this is x square. That means this will be what then? This will be only x less than 1, greater than 1 not needed. In this only x less than 1. That means when x lies between, when x less than or equal to 0. When x less than or equal to 0, minimum out of these is x. Then when x lies between 0 to open 1, only open 1. After that it is defined. 0 to 1, it is x square. So that means this definition will be these two. X when x less than or equal to 0, x square when 0 to 1. Next one you take and construct separately. Minimum of 2x minus 1 comma x square when x greater than or equal to 1. So that means I am taking this y equal to 2x minus 1 comma x square. This is one line. This is parabola. Line you can draw it easily. I am converting into intercept form. 2x minus y equal to 1. X by a. Like this I can draw these two. Now these two intersect. Now I am calculating intersection points. X square minus 2x. So both will intersect at x equal to 1. Look at, I am drawing the graph. Y equal to x square parabola I am drawing first. So this is, then line x by 1 by 2 plus y by minus 1, 1 by 2 here, and then minus 1 here. So the line is intersecting at one point means it will become tangent to the curve. It will become, line is intersecting at one point means at this point it is tangent. It will be tangent to the curve. So this is the graph. So this is x square right. What is telling? So this is intersection point 1. When x greater than or equal to 1, when x greater than or equal to 1, when x greater than or equal to 1 we want. Greater than or equal to 1, this line lies below. This will not intersect because it is touching at only one point. That means when x greater than or equal to 1, this line is completely below. Minimum is what? Therefore, we can say minimum is nothing but therefore, I am writing here. Minimum of 2x minus 1 comma x square equal to 2x minus 1 when x greater than or equal to 1. So you got now this one, you got now this one. This you can write this, in place of this you can write that 2x minus 1. Now therefore f of x is what? F of x is nothing but, f of x is nothing but, first one this, x square. So then second one, this is 2x minus 1. So this is f of x. So this is f of x. Now we will check the continuity and differentiability for that function. So rule changing at x equal 0 and at x equal to 1. X equal to 0. Look at left limit is what? 0. Right limit is 0 and f of 0 is 0. Continuous. So now f dash 0 plus. F dash 0 plus it is 2x. So that is 2 into 0 0. F dash 0 minus. 0 minus is what? 1. Therefore not equal. So this is not differentiable at x equal to 0. So next is what? At x equal to 1. Left limit is what? 1. Right limit is 1 and f of 1 is 2 minus 1 1. Therefore continuous. Continuous and f dash 1 plus derivative of this is what? 2. F dash 1 minus derivative is what? 2x. That means 2 into 1 2. They are equal. That means differentiable at x equal to 1. Therefore not differentiable at one point. So answer is what? 1. Answer is 1. That means at x equal to 0 it will not be differentiable. Look at next problem. F of x equal to modulus x plus 1, comma, g of x equal to x square plus 1. G of x equal to x square plus 1. H of x equal to one function is defined like this: maximum of f of x comma g of x when x less than or equal to 0, minimum of f of x comma g of x when x greater than 0. The number of points at which h of x is not differentiable is dash. Look at this problem. So this we have to find out, this we have to find out. So this means for both graphs are same, y equal to f of x. That means modulus this graph I have told how to draw. This graph is nothing but x square plus 1. Let us draw these graphs. So first modulus x plus 1 I told modulus x plus 1. Modulus x plus 1 means this is constant 1 you mark here. This is modulus x plus 1 V shape. That means this is nothing but x plus 1 y equal to, this is nothing but plus x plus 1. This line is y equal to x plus 1. This line is minus x plus 1. These two lines. Then x square plus 1. X square plus 1 will be how? Look at. X square plus 1. This is the one, right? X square plus 1 means parabola. That means it will go like this above. It will go like this. X square plus 1. So now look at where it is intersecting, you can calculate where it is intersecting. On positive side of x-axis, one intersection point is there. On negative side of x-axis, one intersection point is there. I will calculate. So this is the intersection point of this line and this curve. So this curve is what? Y equal to x square plus 1. This point I am calculating. Look at x square plus 1 equal to x plus 1. That means x into x minus 1 equal to 0. So this is 0, 1. That means this. So x square plus, alright, this is, so that means, so this is what? Not, it cannot be 0, no? It cannot be 0. So it must be what? 1. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. Right? So therefore, this intersection point is what? 1. So next, this intersection point I am calculating. This is minus x plus 1. This is x square plus 1. 1, 1 cancel. It cannot be 0. So it is what? Minus 1. Minus 1. So this intersection point you got. This intersection point you got. Now look at what he is asking. When x less than or equal to 0, this is 0. This side, maximum of f of x comma g of x. So this side, maximum of f of x comma g of x is what? H of x equals to, I am writing this one. Maximum of f of x comma g of x when x less than or equal to 0 means, look at, from here to here. From here to here, when x lies between minus infinity to minus 1, maximum is what? This one. This one. Maximum. Right? So it is above. That is maximum. That means when x less than or equal to minus 1, this is maximum. That means x square plus 1. X square plus 1. Then from minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0, this is minus x plus 1 and this is x square plus 1, which is maximum. This is maximum, that means minus 1 to 0. This next, when x greater than 0, from this side, greater than 0, he is telling minimum of f of x comma g of x. When x less than or dotted one is h of x. Maximum of f of x comma g of x is these both, right? Next, when x greater than 0, minimum. When x greater than 0, minimum means, look at here, minimum means from 0 to 1. Minimum is what? This is the one. So look at this is, I am drawing. So minimum is, this is 0 to 1, this is x square plus 1 and this is x plus 1. Minimum is what? X square plus 1. X square plus 1 when 0 to 1. When 0 to 1. Greater than 0, na? That means from 0 to 1. So next, when x greater than or equal to 1, this is x plus 1 and this is x square plus 1. Maximum means above graph. That means when x greater than or equal to 1. What is that x square? What is that? Wait. Maximum is this one, not this one. Alright, minimum. Correct. Minimum. Correct. Right. When x greater than 1, minimum is what? This one. So that means x plus 1. Oh. X plus 1. Now what he is asking? The number of points at which it is not differentiable. This you got, right? Now at minus 1 you check. Rule changing points. Let us check. Look at. So now at minus 1. Minus 1 plus derivative is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 minus derivative is what? 2x. So therefore not differentiable. Not differentiable at x equal to minus 1. That means at this point it will not be differentiable. So next at 0. 0 plus means greater than 0. Derivative of this is what? 2x. That means 0. So next f dash 0 minus. 0 minus means less than 0. Derivative minus 1. So therefore not differentiable. Not differentiable. So next at 1, rule changing point. 1 plus is what? Derivative. Not here substitute 1. Derivative 1. F dash 1 minus. F dash 1 minus. This is what? 2x. 2. That means not differentiable. So how many points are there? 1, 2, 3. So answer is 3. Answer is 3. Here itself you can write from the graph. Okay. From here to here, dotted lines are h of x. From here to here, rule 1 graph. And then after this point, graph changed its rule. That means at this point it will not be differentiable. 1 point. And then from here to here, one graph drawn. And then at this point, graph changed its rule. That means this is second point where it is not differentiable. So from here to here, we have drawn the graph. And then at this point, rule is changed. That means this is 1 point. This is 1 point. This is 1 point. This is 1 point. Those only we got. -1, 0, 1. At these points, it will not be differentiable. Like that, from the graph you can write, or otherwise write the function and then check at those points. Look at next model, we will see. Let f of x equals to, look at x plus 2 when x less than 0, minus x square minus 2, x lies between 0 and 1, x when x greater than or equal to 1. It is defined like this. The number of points at which f of x is not differentiable is dash. Look at this problem. At which modulus f of x, the number of points at which modulus f of x is not differentiable. Okay, modulus f of x means, first calculate that function. Modulus f of x equals to just wherever this is the function, here write modulus. If f of x is this, modulus f of x means what? Modulus x plus 2. So if f of x is this, modulus f of x means what? So modulus of this means minus will become plus. Modulus of minus of x square plus 2. That is the one. So between 0 to 1. So this is modulus x greater than or equal to 1. Now look at modulus x plus 2 is there. It will have plus x plus 2 and minus x plus 2. Both definitions will be there. Look at what is actually modulus x plus 2 definition. This is minus of x plus 2 when x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. X plus 2 when x plus 2 greater than 0. This is the definition. That means minus x minus 2 when x less than or equal to minus 2, x plus 2. Now which to write here? X less than 0 is there, x less than 0 is there. right? So x less than 0 is there. In this less than 0, less than -2, one part is there, and -2 to 0, another part is there. That means this I will divide into two parts. Look at this, I am dividing into two parts. Look at x less than or equal to -2 is one part. In that case, this will become -x -2. Then from -2 to 0, from -2 to 0, -2 to 0, this will become what? X plus 2. So this has two parts. In less than 0, less than or equal to -2, this one. -2 to 0, this one. So next look at modulus of x square plus 2. This is always positive. X square plus 2 is always positive. Modulus of positive quantity is what? Positive, the same. X square plus 2. This now x greater than or equal to 1 means x is positive. Modulus x is what? X. When x is greater than or equal to 1. That means this definition is same as this one. This is comfortable to check differentiability. Where first continuity we will check -2, 0, 1. -2, 0, 1. Check at those points. So at x equal to -2. At x equal to -2. Look at left limit is what? 2 minus 2 0. Right limit is what? -2 plus 2 0. F of -2 is 0. Therefore continuous. Therefore continuous. F dash -2 plus -2 plus means derivative is what? 1. -2 minus derivative is what? -1. Therefore not differentiable. Not differentiable. Next. At x equal to 0, check the left limit 2, right limit 2, and f of 0 is 2. Continuous. F dash 0 plus greater than 0. Derivative is what? 2x 0. F dash 0 minus. 0 minus is where? This derivative is what? 1. Not differentiable. Not differentiable. Next, at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, left limit you see. At x equal to 1, left limit, look at 1 plus. 1 plus right limit is 1. Next, 1 minus is 3. Therefore, discontinuous implies if it is discontinuous, it is not differentiable. Discontinuous means what? Both limits are not equal. Discontinuous, that means not differentiable. So how many points are there at which it is not differentiable? 1, 2, 3. So answer, the number of points at which modulus f of x is not differentiable is 3. Okay, it is enough for today. Amma. Thank you. Today also there will be exam in the evening for 15 minutes. Okay.